Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about studying and why it's so important. In fact, I recommend you study at least an hour every day, right? Because this is where it changes everything, and get a mentor to help you guide, what should you study? How should you study? Studying every single day allows you to change your mindset. And when you change your mindset, this is when you change what you're attracting, your vibration, everything that's going to be coming into your life from people, circumstances, opportunities. It also changes your actions, your behavior. If you observe yourself, you're going to notice patterns, habits you have every day. And you want to shift them to be in harmony with your goal, to be in harmony with the future you, to be able to get the results you want. If you have questions about what to study, how to study, put a comment below, study, and we'll reach out to you with some tips. Have an awesome day. Bye.